Quiz 1 is really just a big review of a bunch of algebra concepts. So what we're looking at here is they're giving us a slope and a point. So they're telling us our slope is 3 and that we have this point here, -9, -3, an x and a y. And they just want us to find the equation of that line. So we just remind ourselves the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and the b is the y-intercept. So on this problem, they actually give us one piece for free. They give us the slope straight up, so we know we're just going to be plugging that slope in right there. We've got y equals 3x. But what we're missing is our y-intercept, our b. So to do that, we'll just take that y equals mx plus b equation and use the pieces they gave us to work with. So we have an m, we've got an x, and we've got a y, and that'll leave the only thing left to solve for is the b. So y is -3, the m is the 3 they gave us, the x is the -9 they gave us, and then plus b. So simplifying this, we get -3 equals 3 times -9 is -27 plus b. So then we just add our 27, and we end up with 24 equals b. So that's the last piece of the puzzle for our equation of a line. So 3x plus 24.